I know that Alaska, to everybody's
Mawat.
perception,
Right.
it's cold.
Mawat.
But again, we have 4 months of summertime where you could go fishing
Right.
and grow lots of vegetables.
Nagtak.
So it's the same life as anywhere else, except during winter time. It's cold during winter time, but
Japan is cold also, man.
but again, this is where we started it, and I think hopefully you could come and visit us. And I think that everybody, all of us will have a chance to see either here or there, wherever futures. Kaya we'll try to turn it off. Nawa na dito ka ni.
Enjoy.
Naimas kasyo.
Hand it to you.
Oh yeah,
Great.
come here, Roland. I would like to. Because it doesn't look good in the picture.
Oh, and Roland, don't touch it.
Come on, hey, be cool.
We're just enjoying life as life anywhere else. Alaska life. Sacrifice, but that's the way life is.
Nothing further. How I handle Charlie.
Huh?
Poison.
Something
Something very special.
agad kay balay ni.
Siripin nyo na ta.
Nakita mo yan. Sika? Kanan. Oh.
Where you go to school? Go to school. Oh, you will
No,
be.
I'm not going to school.
You will be 7th grade pretty soon, isn't it? Seventh.
10th.
Come on, to Roland, don't. Okay, here. Camera action ready.
And, I am Roland Lopez. I'm trying to be funny.
You gonna try to get money?
No, funny.
Do I get money?
Yeah, sure.
How much?
Don't say how much. Any money goes, any money, any amount.
$100.
$100?
Okay.
You're lying.
No, it's your for your school.
He's lying. I
for
know.
your school.
He never pays me.
Yeah, it's for your school.
He doesn't.
Every day, yeah.
No, he doesn't.
You never done anything. You have to say something so that they're gonna pay you.
I did say something.
Every hour, 100.
See?
If it's less than an
You're
hour,
lying.
no 100, just $1.
An hour?
Huh?
An hour?
Sorry, Kwamon, isin mo that on
Speaking
Freddy. I think that's good enough.
Yeah, that's enough that thing.
Ano?
Nasamit ka na to eh.
Hanap mo na lang Gaya-gaya
Yan, kakulan lang.
Di pa alam to kung tapang kami repair ni Jipa.
Yeah. Awit to.
Yeah, wala.
I think Tony and Roland left. Oh, they left. They went with Sean.
Bring it home. Hello. Kalmanin.
Ah,
Yeah.
kalmanan.
Yeah. Yan, ito yung manin, ayon may, di ba rin manong toro? Okay, may nangahantas na. Romati imiten, so agamit kami, medyo nakulong na media outside, mga siguro, parang 7:35, nakulong na. Ramis basit, siguro mga around 25 degrees.
Bago ako datan.
So kahit kami, kumusta kaya maninitan nga kwan, makanunod dahil
Pada-pada.
pada-pada.
Ada mo arterti na gaya.
Yan.
Kano ko. Ada kan mo
See you.
kulang mga sumrat na dati.
Okay, thank you.
Oro datan nakabitin dyan.
Ah,
Ma-frostbite.
Dati na.
Alam, ada mang kuku. Mana na dito na klam. Muna kaya
Sana din naman na class.
ada mang kukulang. Nga nagkupadinan. Ay!
Ini dati lo, dati lo.
Amo day tatang balbalo na ko. Naglaudan.
Ang balay.
Yan, no, mang kukulang.